Wong Kar-wai films were peaking. Icons like Chi, Faye Wong, Chow, they all were peaking, and I really like the aesthetic and makeup style that they had back then, which is why I really want to try that. In today's video, I want to try both the makeup and styling, so if you want to know how to get the look, please keep on watching. I don't know, I kind of want to do this in like a very Vogue style, so I'm kind of filming like this in front of my really messy table that I will not show. I'm gonna start with the brow. I kind of went through the edge. I'm thinking that they had a very strong brow look back then. It's more like arched and rounded, so I'm just gonna show you this top. As you can see here, I'm just gonna like make it thicker, and I'm gonna just feather it out with my spoolie. And they focus less on the eye makeup. It's more like a stronger bold red lip or dark red lip and dark brows. And I also think that they had a stronger close set eyebrows that gives more like a fierce appearance. I'm kind of using this inspiration from Faye Wong's photo here. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna try and replicate that on the other eyebrow. I feel like it's similar to sketching. When you try to sketch something and you try to, like, say for example, you try to sketch a portrait. You perfect one eye and then you try to do the other side and then it doesn't work out the way you want it to. I think makeup is like the genie on face, which is why I really like it. I'm Shin-chan right now. Like, I kind of look like I have Sharpie brows, but I swear it will look better in a bit because you trust the process all the time, right? Now how fridge is. I'm like exposing my outfit. Like, okay, this is my Mofu Sam's top that I've been wearing all the time. Favorite top. I used to really just listen to my mom play music in the car, like older music from Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, from Jackie Chan or like Andy Lau. And obviously when I was young I was like, what the hell is this music? But now as I grow older, I think when you're older, it's like what you grew up listening to, it kind of has this nostalgic touch, which is why I always listen to it, because I feel like I'm brought back to it when I was a kid. For the contour, I usually use Etude House's drawing eyebrow pencil, and the reason why I use this is because it really just is like a thin contour stick, and you can really get precision in contouring, because when I use a thicker brow pencil, contour stick, I usually use like a really chubby one, and I find that it's better for using it for your outer face, like contouring your cheekbones or your lips and just like larger areas. But when you use it for your nose and you blend it, it kind of looks like I rubbed dirt all over my nose and it doesn't look as precise. And I find that doing this makes it look a bit more natural. It just kind of adds a little like lift, and then once you add highlight, it's perfect. I feel like they do focus a lot on all sorts of contour. Like, they have a very three-dimensional makeup look, so I'm gonna use a contour powder to contour my face essentially. I think this also depends on your own bone structure, but for me, I think I have like a Halloween around here, so I like to really accentuate that more. Okay, now that I contoured my face, you can see it kind of looks a bit more three-dimensional. I'm going to also contour my eyes with a fluffy brush using the same shape, and just contour the hollows of my eyes. It's all about enhancing your natural features in this style of makeup, I think. I'm gonna move on to a bit of blush before I move on to the eyes. Using this color by Judy Doll. It's in the shade number 35. It's basically a very light brown, neutral pink. And this blush is just mainly for an upper contour and a bit of color. I apply it not on the apples, but a bit lower, just to accompany the contour and just add a little bit of freshness to the whole face. And I kind of brush that onto the eyes as well, and a bit on the nose. The eyes, I think it's also about darkening the eyes as well. So I'm gonna use this fudge brown jelly eye. It's like brown shimmery shade. It kind of looks like this. You can see it's like a very soft translucent brown shade. And I'm just gonna apply that on the outer corner of my eye. You see that it adds an instant definition to my eye. I think it makes my eyes look brighter. I think. Really thin eyeliner brush going on with that on the lower lash line. Because I think they don't really use much eyeliner. A brown liner. And I'm also just gonna go towards the bottom. And then I'm also gonna tightline the inner corners a little bit. And I think it kind of connects here to the waterline. So I'm just gonna... I have this like ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in red, so I'm not sure if they sell this anymore. But I'm gonna use this to highlight under my eye. It's basically like a very champagne-ish highlight color. Just for that pop in the eye. Now for the highlight, I'm gonna just use this Suzanne highlighting shade and lightly go on it. The areas you want to highlight. Now for eyelashes, just simply curling. Any mascara will do. Now for the I'm gonna just thicken a little bit with that same lip liner, contouring, slightly overlining. I feel like they have a more red lipstick, so I'm gonna do that. Taking two different lip shades. I have a NARS lip color in Slow Ride, which is my everyday lip color, and it's just like this brown nudish shade. Neutral color, and then I have this purpley shade. I'm not sure if this is the right color. It's Tom Ford lipstick, which is a red, like a brick red color. And I'm gonna just use a bit of that on the center of my lips. Going on with the translucent powder. And my eyelashes almost done. I don't think they focus too much on the eyelashes, so just mascara will do and the lash extensions. I'm gonna pick up my hair and we'll pick out an outfit. I found something in my mom's closet, which is this polo, which is super on theme. Okay, I really like the top itself. I think it could do something like this. Why is that kind of cute? So I'm gonna try something. This is what she looks like so far. I'm gonna accessorize with a watch like this. I feel like I'm putting my mom right now. I also think that adding a headband would be really cute. Something like this. What do you think? And then sunglasses. I have these like sunnies. And I'm thinking of maybe gold hoops. You know, gold hoops like this. I usually am a silver girly, but today, for this look, I think silver gold hoops would really suit my jeans. I feel like it adds to the vibe. Why do I think a bandana would really cute? Okay, I'm thinking maybe this is a fun look. I feel like maybe this bandana will be too much, so I'm gonna remove that. So this is detailing. I really like this polo shirt. Not my long pants. That's my mom.
无聊的夜晚，把我逼进了街角的咖啡馆。我坐在窗边，看着一个两个人在狂欢。都市人的慵懒，咖啡味的惆怅，路灯下的呢喃，总有些温暖。你看那女人，轻轻依偎着那男人。